Alright, so you guys know that traditionally on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays I do my Dollar Tree hauls. Now we are doing a haul right now. We're going to do a candy haul because I've always wanted to attempt one of these cookie boards ever since I saw some of these photos flying around on Instagram, so I'll throw up one, maybe two. I'm not sure where the first one I'm throwing up is actually from, unfortunately, but I will link in my description box like the Instagram accounts that I follow. So beautiful, and I thought to myself, I wonder if I could do this using Dollar Tree stuff, because that's where my mind always goes. It always goes right back to Dollar Tree. And especially when I first saw that bamboo cutting board, that is when the idea was born, and I actually bought this cutting board way before the holiday season started. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt it. You're gonna see me starting to stack some of this stuff, and I was showing you a bunch of candy that I hauled. Now I didn't actually end up using everything, but I just wanted to show you what I had picked out, and I was really trying to go for a Christmas look, so a lot of whites, greens, and reds. My tip would be to put down your biggest items down first, and then go in and backfill with all the smaller little candies. I'm not by any means a professional charcuterie board, cookie board person. I was obviously dealing with a very small cutting board from Dollar Tree, but I just figured let's go down with the biggest items first and then backfill, and I really liked the way that it looked. Don't feel like you have to keep going. Sometimes you have to scratch it, start all over until you figure it out. I decided to go with the Christmas tree cookie. I probably could have gone with the snowman. That would have been really cute, because the Christmas tree green, I don't know, I'm just kind of picky about having too many shades, but I still love how it turned out. But I think the snowman would have been really cute too, and would have popped a lot of white on the opposite side since I did the powdered donuts. But anyway, as you can see, I'm just trying to figure it all out and place things. I ended up moving some of those smaller little Santa chocolates, and just trying to figure it out. I'm not a professional by any means, but I love the way that it turned out in the end. I think this would be really cute to host parties or a movie night with your family, and even for a gingerbread like cookie house making party or whatever. I actually bought a bunch of gingerbread houses to decorate, and I think it would be really cute to put out a bunch of these, not a bunch, but maybe like 2 or 3 of these cookie boards out, and then people can grab from them and use, the sweets to put onto their gingerbread house. So I don't know, that's just an idea for you guys, and as you can see, I'm just going through and trying to put in, all of these little candies and backfilling it with the smaller stuff, because the boards from Dollar Tree are not that big. But hey, if you already have, like a bamboo or a wood type board at home, like go for it. Don't go spend that extra money. I will say make sure that you wash it with some warm soap and water. I think that's how you properly wash like wood spoons and things like that before you lay your food down on there. Not everything also has to be wrapped. You can see that I put in some mints tucked in behind the powdered donuts. And here comes my favorite part. I didn't even plan for this. When I originally saw the alphabet cookies, I was like, oh, I could spell something, but I didn't realize how cute it was gonna look on top of the other cookies, and especially since they're the same color, I just really love how the bottom turned out. So I'm showing you guys some different options, fa la la, and then we're gonna go in with ho ho ho. So all of those were pretty perfect because it was like 2 letters per cookie, so that really worked out. And then you're gonna see in the next clip, I'm going to attempt a word with 5 letters instead of 6, which is gonna end up being Merry. You could do all kinds of things, Xmas, holiday, I mean just your name, someone's name. You could do the year, 2019, just so many options, but I wanted to show you guys that if you only did like 5 letters or smaller letters, I just took more candy and put it at the end to kind of fill in that blank space. But in the end, fa la la is actually my favorite. And that's it for this video. It is my favorite. Just looking at this, I love, and I can't believe I did this with all Dollar Tree stuff. Like, are you kidding me? So exciting. And a lot of this stuff is still at stores. So hopefully you guys have time to make this, if this is of something of interest to you, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!